I feed my babies.
So we just put the blue buffalo puppy wilderness recipe. We're gonna mix it again also. Where the milk qualities are down.
Sigue hablando. So what you putting the canine puppy for? Huh?
The Canine Puppy Gold is basically for, it's a growth supplement. It helps balance support for developing puppies. It has colostrum, it has coconut oil in it. Just an overall boost for their immune system. Put some thyme, just like, a little caramel dressing, nothing major. Not a gravy, just a little dressing. And then top it all off with some puppy milk pet lac recipe. You could use Ultra 24 also.
Everybody has their own, their own flow. This is how we do ours. Show you my pups now. Them things getting bigger, that's it. They stop eating from mama. They stop eating from mama. They both in the cage together too, just because I gotta feed the pups. But mama don't stay in the cage. Look at them. No, they go crazy. They go crazy once they see they dad. They go bananas. Look at them. Merle thing, oh my God. That's my nigga Chucky. That's Chuck, yeah. That's my girl. Other girl right there, yeah, she two-faced.